All right, so in this video, we're gonna focus mainly on convenience, which at the same time is borderline laziness. Hey, what's going on? It's Low for Low Nose back at you with another tech take. And this, my friends, is a LanPavillion tablet floor stand. Now, this is not no crazy expensive tripod. This is a tried and true, simple tablet or smartphone holder. It just stands up and it just does the job. Now I'm going to show you all the convenient ways I've managed to use this and make my life easier. Again, this is not a crazy tripod. It's so convenient. Again, it borderlines. It's on the edge of laziness. So before I show you, let's get into the unboxing. Let's set this up and show you how this actually works. And inside the box, you've got your instructions, which is so simple. This is not intimidating at all to put together. You've got your 3-rod supports, your smart device holder, a gooseneck, and of course a metal base. Screw it on, slap it on, put it together, you're good to go. Inside the box, here we go. Here is your tablet or smartphone holder. Again, it extends out. This can hold your phone and also your tablet probably up to that wide. All right, let's put that to the side. Here goes your gooseneck, right? That you can actually twist and kind of manipulate it for the way you see fit. And here are 3 parts. Your neck comes in 3 parts. You've got an A, B, and C element. Okay. All right, so this part right here, this is the top. This is the part where the gooseneck goes. So I can, and this is my B, the one that's kind of middle. This is my B element. So I can just screw this together. Okay, there you go, it's all set. Got a little Donatello going on here. And you've got your base. That's a really nice, wide, generous, flat, weighty base as well. So this thing is not going anywhere. So let's go ahead and screw that on. Just like that. All right, there you go. And I can just sit it down right here. And there you go. And of course I can add the gooseneck right here. Now the thing is, the neck does come in 3 parts. You can just use 2 of the 3 parts, so it's not as long. It's a little shorter depending on where you're sitting and where you want your camera, your device to be. But yeah, here we go. Top height, you're probably looking about right here, probably up to my neck, and I can just bend the gooseneck forward, and I can just take the adapter here and just press it in. Oops, no, went too early. Bring it there, press it in, and just tighten it up. And I can just take my phone, extend it, goes like that, and I can actually turn it over. And now you guys can actually see this is what it looks like using the LanPavillion tablet holder. Again, super simple. I like the height. I like that I can use a gooseneck to actually adjust the position. And you know, it's got that default, have a little elevated version so you can actually get that, you know, that Instagram look. So it's working well. And at the same time, I can also switch it from horizontal to vertical depending on how I actually want to use this. So it's really, again, really simple, nothing crazy. I just set this thing up in less than a minute, slap my phone on here, and I'm recording and good to go. And of course I can take my tablet, switch out my phone for my tablet, and I can try this to where it's super convenient, where I'm just laying on the couch and I can use this to just hold my device and it just kind of captures everything. I can scroll through entertainment, or I can even use this for Zoom calls where it just kind of captures the whole thing, and I don't even have to hold the device. Everyone's just in the frame, super convenient. Now, another way I like to use it is when I work out, and this is amazing because I don't have to find some clumsy space to put my tablet. I can just put it on the stand, it's holding it secure, I can see it perfectly, and when I work out, I like to follow along on some videos, with some videos, and I can just see it right there. It's in my line of sight, and I'm just working, and I can see what's going on, and it's so convenient. Now, another way this is so convenient is when I'm actually in bed. Now, this kind of epitomizes the idea of convenience and also laziness at the same time, especially since I am in bed and I've got my tablet right here and I can enjoy whatever I want at the same time while watching that. I don't know. Like I said, it's just borderline complete laziness. But at the same time, I can actually adjust this any way I want so I can get the perfect height, angle, especially from the cord as well. It just makes it so convenient. All right, so let me give you my final thoughts. Overall, I like the LanPavillion tablet stand. Super simple, super convenient, just does what it does. Nothing crazy, nothing expensive, nothing wide and unruly. It just holds your tablet at whatever height you want, and it's so simple. Again, you just put it together under a minute, and you can angle it however you like, as high as you want. I mean, you really can't get any simpler than that. Whether you're trying to record yourself or you just want to enjoy entertainment on the go or in bed or on the couch, whatever it is, it's right there and you can do it. All right, really hope this video will help you out in making your selection. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own LanPavillion tablet holder. Also, I'm giving this one away, so make sure you leave a comment and a like on this channel, on my YouTube channel, and also my Facebook channel. And in 2 weeks, I'll pick a lucky winner. Also, read the rules and all that stuff below so you can make sure what's going on. As always, guys, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, like a free giveaway, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.